Play with your food, eh? No, except you, Gnocchi.
So,
Bravissimo! Sir,
But which one is...
I do like a good cheeseburger and a good baked potato. But if I had to pick the most deliciosa pizza, I have to say... Professor Monkey Pizza. Up with a better name. But, Giorgio, Professor, your pizza, she's a winner. Hey, try some. Here you go. I mean, cheese! I sent some of my lackeys inside to see if the master of this here tower's as big and tough as they say. Word is he's a real powerful sorcerer, which would make him the perfect bodyguard for me. See, it don't matter how tough he is. Once he's a heartless, he'll do as I say. Still need someone to guard. Bob it again.
Bob say he already guard too.
That why he guard again, till he get right.
Me guard?
No, Og leader. Og say, Bob do it.
Bob again, but he did it last week.
Bob guard, or else. Og has spoken. What happened? Who make noise? Where Og's bed? What Bob doing here?
A zillion.
Whatever what was.
Quick, check the moon.
What going on? Og proud of tribe. We have Hmong. We live good during winter. Time to party! No, it's bigger than that. No, bigger still. That's it!
Phew.
Oh, thank you, Giorgio. You know, I got to get some cookbooks too, so I'll check this out up front. Bye-bye, little buddy. I mean, bye-bye, little buddy.